Understanding, in a nutshell, an essential guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a really interesting phrase to delve into. In a nutshell. This is a phrase you might come across in books, movies, or everyday conversations. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in your own conversations. So, let's get started. In a nutshell is an idiomatic expression in English. When someone uses this phrase, they are indicating that they are going to give a short and clear description or explanation of something, condensing all the necessary information into a brief summary. For example, if you ask a friend about a movie they watched, and they respond with, "In a nutshell, it was exciting but a bit too long," they have given you a concise summary of their opinion on the movie. The phrase, "in a nutshell," has a quite interesting origin. It is believed to date back to ancient Rome, where a famous story tells of a copy of Homer's epic poems being transcribed so small that it could fit inside a walnut shell. This image of fitting a large amount of information into a tiny space is where the phrase derives its meaning. Using "in a nutshell" in sentences is pretty straightforward. You typically use it when you are summarizing a complex idea or situation. Here are a few examples to help illustrate this. 1. The book is about the complexity of human relationships, and in a nutshell, it explores how our past influences our present. 2. He explained the scientific theory to me, and in a nutshell, it's about how everything in the universe is interconnected. 3. Our vacation was full of ups and downs, but in a nutshell, we had a great time and made some wonderful memories. One common mistake to avoid is using "in a nutshell" when providing a long and detailed explanation. Remember, the purpose of this phrase is to offer a brief summary. So, make sure to keep your explanation concise when you use it. And there you have it, a complete guide to understanding and using the phrase, "in a nutshell." We hope this has been helpful and that you're now more confident in using this expression in your English conversations. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.